Simplify without using mathematical tables or calculators. 6 over square root of 7 plus square root of 3 minus 4 over square root of 7 minus square root of 3. Our LCM in the denominator here is 7 square root of 7 plus square root over 3 bracket times square root over 7 minus square root over 3 bracket. Now we can multiply 6 by square root of 7 minus square root of 3 and 4. We multiply by square root of 7 plus square root of 3, and this is going to give us 6 bracket square root over 7 minus square root over 3 minus 4 bracket square root over 7 plus square root over 3 all over the LCM square root over 7 plus square root over 3 times bracket square root over 7 minus square root over 3 bracket. Notice that the denominator is in the form of a plus b bracket a minus b bracket, which is equal to a squared minus b squared, and this is the difference of two squares. So this is going to give us applying the difference of two squares, this is going to give us 6 square root over 7 minus 6 square root over 3 minus 4 square root over 7 minus 4 square root over 3 all over square root over 7 squared minus square root over 3 squared. This is going to give us 6 square root over 7 minus 4 square root over 7 minus 6 square root over 3 minus 4 square root over 3 all over 7 minus 3. This is equal to 2 square root over 7 minus 10 square root over 3 all over 4. This is equal to 2 can divide 2 here, 1 times 2 can divide here, 10 here, 5. So we can take out the common factor 2, and this is going to give us 2 bracket square root over 7 minus 5 square root over 3 all over 4. 2 goes into 4 2 times. This is giving us square root over 7 minus 5 square root over 3 all over 2. Therefore, our final answer is square root over 7 minus 5 square root over 3 over 2. D, the subject in the given formula. U equals V D squared all over 2W plus D squared. We are given U equals V D squared over 2W plus D squared. We can express this as a U over 1 equals V D squared over 2W plus D squared. Cross multiplying, we have U bracket 2W plus D squared equals V D squared times 1. This is equal to 2W U plus U D squared equals V D squared. This is giving us U D squared minus V D squared, which is equal to negative. This is giving us U D squared minus V D squared, which is equal to negative 2W U. Taking out common factor D squared, we have D squared bracket U minus V equals negative 2W U. Dividing both sides by U minus V, we have D squared equals negative 2W U over U minus V. Taking the square roots of both sides, we have D squared square root equals square root negative 2W U over U minus V. We can cancel the square root sign on the left hand side. This is giving us a D equals plus minus square root of negative 2W U over U minus V. This is giving us D equals plus minus square root of negative 2W U over U minus V. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching.